Welcome back to World Explorer Mind WEM, where we uncover the stories shaping our world today. Your support means so much. A quick subscription helps me keep making content you'll love. I really appreciate you being here. If you want to see more content like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Let's get started. 1. Rome, the Eternal City. Rome is Italy's capital and one of the most historically rich cities in the world. Here you'll find iconic landmarks like the Colosseum, where gladiators once fought, the Roman Forum, the heart of ancient Roman politics and commerce, and Vatican City, home to St. Peter's Basilica, the Vatican Museums, and Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling. The city's piazzas, fountains like Trevi Fountain, and bustling streets bring history and modern life together. Why visit? To walk in the footsteps of emperors, popes, and artists while enjoying authentic Italian cuisine and vibrant city life. 2. Florence, cradle of the Renaissance. Florence is a city of art, culture, and history. The Uffizi Gallery holds works by Botticelli, Leonardo da Vinci, and Caravaggio. The Duomo, designed by Brunelleschi, dominates the skyline, and Michelangelo's David is one of the world's most famous sculptures. Florence is also a fashion hub, with markets like San Lorenzo offering leather goods and Tuscan specialties. Why visit? To experience the birthplace of the Renaissance and see world-famous masterpieces in a setting that feels like stepping back in time. 3. Venice. City of canals. Venice is built on more than 100 small islands in a lagoon. Instead of roads, canals connect the city, with gondolas and water taxis as the main form of transport. St. Mark's Square, Doge's Palace, and the Grand Canal are unmissable highlights. Each narrow alley and romantic bridge reveals hidden gems, while Murano and Burano Islands nearby showcase glassmaking and colorful fishing houses. Why visit? To enjoy a one-of-a-kind atmosphere of romance, history, and architecture found nowhere else in the world. 4. Milan, fashion and culture. Known as Italy's style capital, Milan is also home to incredible history and culture. The Duomo di Milano is one of the largest Gothic cathedrals in the world. Nearby, Santa Maria del Grazie houses Leonardo da Vinci's Last Supper. Milan also offers luxury shopping at Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II and modern attractions like Porta Nuova. Why visit? To combine world-class fashion and shopping with rich culture, art, and vibrant nightlife. 5. Amalfi Coast, dramatic beauty. The Amalfi Coast is a stretch of coastline along southern Italy known for its colorful cliffside towns like Positano, Amalfi, and Ravello. The roads wind along cliffs, offering breathtaking sea views. Visitors can relax on pebble beaches, enjoy boat trips, or hike the Path of the Gods. Ravello offers romantic gardens and villas overlooking the Mediterranean. Why visit? For postcard-perfect scenery, delicious seafood, and a romantic Italian escape by the sea. 6. Cinque Terre, 5 colorful villages. Cinque Terre is a collection of 5 coastal villages: Monterosso, Vernazza, Corniglia, Manerella, and Rio Maggiore, built into cliffs above the Ligurian Sea. They are connected by hiking trails and trains. The pastel houses, dramatic sea views, and terraced vineyards create a stunning setting. Why visit? For hiking, fresh seafood, and incredible views of colorful villages against turquoise waters. 7. Naples and Pompeii. History and flavor. Naples is a lively city known as the birthplace of pizza. It's also the gateway to Pompeii, where ancient Roman life was frozen by Mount Vesuvius eruption in 79 Naples offers historic sites like the Royal Palace, Castel Nuovo, and the underground catacombs. Why visit? To enjoy authentic Italian pizza and witness one of the most fascinating archaeological sites in the world. 8. Tuscany, rolling hills and vineyards beyond Florence. Tuscany offers charming towns like Siena, Lucca, and San Gimignano, each filled with medieval architecture and traditions. The countryside is famous for its vineyards producing Chianti wine, olive groves, and rolling landscapes. Visitors can tour wineries, stay in rustic villas, and explore Renaissance-era towns. Why visit? To relax in the Italian countryside, enjoy world-class wines, and soak in timeless beauty. 9. Sicily, crossroads of civilizations. Sicily, the largest Mediterranean island, has been influenced by Greeks, Romans, Arabs, and Normans. Key sites include the Valley of the Temples in Agrigento, Mount Etna, Europe's highest active volcano, and Palermo's vibrant markets. Sicilian food is world famous, with specialties like cannoli and arancini. Why visit? For stunning natural landscapes, ancient ruins, and a unique culinary experience blending cultures. 10. Lake Como, glamour and nature nestled in northern Italy. Lake Como is surrounded by mountains and elegant villas. The towns of Bellagio, Varenna, and Como are charming and sophisticated. The lake is perfect for boat tours, luxury stays, and exploring lush gardens. Many celebrities own villas here, adding to its glamorous reputation. That's today's story. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me for the next one more stories coming your way soon. Don't just watch history, be part of it. Subscribe and join the journey. Thanks for watching World Explorer Mind WEM.